Okay, now this is me getting tortured by Caleb.
Hey guys. Your hair's not
Wait. So I take good care of my hair.
I do too.
My hair is like my prized possession. I love when people play with my hair, so I'm gonna like this part. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all and keep you non-bored like Kayla's video. It's probably gonna be very boring. I'm nice. So,
Oh, crap, they're in my hair.
let's see who's on Facebook. People I hate. People I don't really care about mostly. Not really, just hate. I have a notification. Oh, people poke me. What the heck? What is she doing to me? So I have an ear now, it looks like. I don't know if you guys see that.
Yeah, they see.
Okay, good. I don't know what to talk about, so I'm gonna turn myself into a werewolf because I'm mad. Look, Kayla. Just kidding. Oh my god.
It's not gonna fit. Okay, what else could I do then? No, I'm gonna make it fit.
Oh god. So, what else should we talk about, guys?
Your crush.
Kayla?
Oh well, let's leave it like that.
I had weird dreams with him.
Oh, come on.
Well, I only had two. He knows one of them because someone who's messing my hair now. Hi. Should I talk about Kayla?
Well, my other plane didn't work, so. Stupid thing.
That one's hard to put in. She's distorting my hair.
Hey, that looks cute. The rest of your hair looks weird. What else can I do?
What are you gonna do with this?
Oh, you have that too?
Yeah. It was in my eyes, so I moved it. Oh god, I had to tell her I had that. She's using magical bobby pins.
No, the Billy Bob pins.
Bobby pins. This actually looks kind of cute from here. But from there, probably not. Black dress with the tights underneath. I got the grab of a last cigarette on my teeth. And she's an actress, she can't handle me. She's got money from her parents and they're trusting back east to tongues.
There you go.
Always can see your cheeks while my tongue is on the inside of some other guy's seat to tell your girlfriend. She says she got beef that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't scared of him. He wants to touch me right. He wants to let me right. I'm so so bored. Woohoo! Woohoo! Now I get makeup. So, we went to makeup product.
Okay, what do you do?
Yeah. Actually, Julie. Do you want to take this off?
Yeah.
Look, my
There's
dresses.
something in my eye, but if I rub it, it all smears everywhere.
After this, we should put like dresses and stuff on.
Yeah,
Something weird.
Do you have any?
It doesn't kill you, makes you stronger.
This one.
Hey, I remember this. This one was mine.
Mine.
Yeah, I had begged for it. I was like, I like this.
I'm taking black lipstick.
Oh god, I look horrible with black lipstick. I'm gonna look like a gothic.
At
Every
least you don't
single
have-
time someone does my makeup, I always look goth.
At least you don't have a big eyeliner mark.
It's almost gone.
I know. This eye's like red.
I can't put this on.
Oh. Got it. You would look gothic if you went to school like that with black lipstick.
Oh my gosh, my hair like this? They might as well start calling me Sam Gaga.
Wait till you see the tag.
Oh my god.
Do what you did. What I did. Yeah. It's gonna break. It's like go back and forth. Go back. No. So much for your lipstick. It broke. Oh well. I threw it down. It's like all messed up. You just like if you just ate something chocolate and it stayed on your lips.
You like my black lipstick?
No. You do look gothic. Oh my gosh.
I do.
I'm so mean. Oh, it's. Oh, what?
What is this?
No, that's why I just try to wipe it off. Oh, this is payback for about to kill my eye.
How?
It broke in my eye. Barely.
Wait, I'm gonna do part 2. Hey, I'm gonna put part 2.